In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook page for your business in 2023. And the year is important because Facebook changes all the time and it's important to stay up to date. I will show you exactly how it looks in 2023. It will take just a couple of minutes of your time to create a Facebook page. But before we start, you need to get ready with all the necessary information and images. You need to choose your Facebook page name because that's something you can't really change on a daily basis. However, you can change a name, but it will take you a couple of business days for Facebook service to approve it. Another suggestion is to name your Facebook page after your company. Don't change anything, use the same name for your Facebook page as well. It makes it easier for your potential customers to find you this way on Facebook. And get ready with a simple description about your business. Tell your customers what is it exactly you do. You can copy this information from your website if you have it. Make sure you have a background image and a profile photo as well when you want to create a Facebook page. I will show you everything in a bit. In order to create your first Facebook page, you should log into your Facebook, to your personal account from your computer, and check out the menu that you have on your left. If you don't see all of these options, you will probably have see more. So you need to click on see more and scroll down until you see pages. Click on pages. Whenever you already have access to different pages on Facebook or not, you're going to have the option to create a new page. So just click on plus, create new page. And from here on, just follow the instruction on Facebook. It's super easy to create your first Facebook page. Give your Facebook page a name. Facebook page name should be similar to your business name. It will be easier to people to find it that way. Please choose your Facebook name correctly. Don't add any additional information into your Facebook name page because you won't be able to change it quickly if you would like to in the future. Regarding the category, you have a lot of different options, so just start typing whatever is relevant to your industry. For example, if I'm going with marketing, I will choose marketing agency, choose test. And regarding bio, it's a short description of your page. You can add it whenever you want, but I recommend to have it on your page when you just starting. Click on create page. And now just follow the instructions on Facebook step by step. You have 5 different steps and fill in the information it requires. If you don't have all the information for your business, like you don't have a location yet, or you are not sure about opening hours, just skip it. You don't really need to fill any of it. You can obviously change it in the future. Now, the important part here is your page customization. Please make sure that you do have a logo that you can upload to a profile picture or whatever is relevant to your business. I recommend to upload a logo to a profile picture, and then there is a cover image that should tell to your audience what is your business all about, so upload it as well. You can use a phone number with WhatsApp, business WhatsApp. It makes it much easier to connect with your potential customers that way. But once again, you don't have to, and you can add it later as well. And another step that Facebook is offering is to invite your friends to your Facebook page. It's not necessary. You don't have to do it if you think that this page won't be suitable for your friends to see. Simply skip this step. The last step here is to stay informed about different activities that are happening on your page. And when you finish, simply click done and your new page is ready, you can take a tour and learn about how to manage your page or how to add information to your page. Or you can just skip it and close this window and review what you have. It's a simple Facebook page where you can post your content, you can change your images, and you can edit information at any time. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any questions, please leave me a comment below or simply contact me via the link in the description. Goodbye.